Hi guys, welcome to my apartment in Sesto Calende. This is where I live in Italy. And yeah, I'm making this video for all the people who have subscribed to my newsletter. So I will not put this on YouTube. I would like to thank you so much for clicking on the link and signing up on my website. I really appreciate it. And I know that I do not really respond on many comments on my YouTube videos. I do care about you. I do know that you're out there, but I simply like I said before, I don't have the time to respond on the website, respond on YouTube, Instagram, all these places, emails, and in the meantime write articles and make videos and all that and work. So that's why I never respond. Anyway, thank you so much again for putting all your effort in watching my videos, because it really helps me and it really motivates me to continue with doing this. The goal of this YouTube channel and all this DutchPilotGirl stuff is to give honest advice about this aviation industry. And the aviation industry is really great, it really is. But yeah, there are also some things about this industry that people are not really likely to tell or to show, because they only want to show the glamorous side of it. And of course there's a lot of glamour. I mean, you get to the crazy places, you stay in nice hotels and all that, but there's also another part. And I think that people have to be aware of that. It's not only paradise. And that's why I'm making this video, making these videos on my channel, just to give an honest view about it. This is basically where I live. And here, this is my room. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry, I didn't clean up completely for this. It's very nice, it's very clean, very new, which I really like. And this is where I stay when I'm working. Normally when you have a job as a pilot, you live somewhere else than your actual home place, like your actual town where you grew up or whatever. Some people are lucky, they work for airlines in their own country. But for all the other people, they have basically two kind of apartments. And that's what I have as well. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channels, for watching all my videos and my articles. Because of you, I am continuing doing all this, and I hope to see you in the next video on YouTube. I don't know when I will publish it. I know where it's about, to be honest, but I'll see. You'll see. So enjoy your weekend, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.